Imagine a world on the brink of transformation. The year is 1350. Europe is grappling with the Black Death. The medieval order is starting to crumble. Yet in this tumultuous time, a brilliant mind emerges, poised to challenge the very foundations of knowledge. This is the story of Nicolas Oresme, a man born into an age of faith, but destined to plant the seeds of scientific revolution. Oresme was a scholar of extraordinary breadth. He was a mathematician, physicist, astronomer, philosopher, theologian, and economist. He was a true polymath, a testament to the boundless potential of the human mind. Oresme's genius lay not just in his mastery of diverse disciplines, but in his ability to see connections invisible to others. He dared to question long-held assumptions, to explore the unknown with a rare blend of logic and imagination. His work, though rooted in the medieval world, reached far beyond its confines, foreshadowing the scientific breakthroughs that would define the Renaissance. Oresme's story is a powerful reminder that the seeds of revolution are often sown in the most unexpected of times. He stands as a beacon of intellectual courage, a testament to the enduring power of human curiosity. Nicolas Oresme's journey began in the small village of Allemagne, nestled in the heart of Normandy, France. Born around 1325, his early life remains shrouded in the mists of time. We know little of his family or childhood, yet even from these humble beginnings, his intellectual spark was undeniable. Oresme's path led him to the University of Paris, the epicenter of intellectual life in the 14th century. Here, he immersed himself in the world of learning, studying the classics, philosophy and theology. It was at the University of Paris that Oresme encountered the teachings of Jean Buridan, a renowned philosopher and physicist. Buridan's ideas, particularly his concept of impetus, would leave an indelible mark on Oresme's thinking. Buridan challenged the Aristotelian view of motion, proposing that objects in motion possess an inherent force that keeps them moving. This concept, radical for its time, resonated deeply with Oresme, setting the stage for his own groundbreaking work in physics. Oresme's time at the University of Paris proved to be a period of intense intellectual growth, shaping his worldview and laying the foundation for his future achievements. Oresme's genius found a particularly fertile ground in the realm of mathematics. He possessed a remarkable ability to visualize abstract concepts, a talent he applied to great effect in his work on the geometry of motion. In his treatise on the configuration of qualities and motions, Oresme introduced a revolutionary idea, using geometric shapes to represent changing quantities. Imagine a right triangle, he suggested. Let the base of the triangle represent time, and the height represent the velocity of a moving object. The area of the triangle, Oresme argued, would then represent the distance traveled by the object. This seemingly simple concept was a profound breakthrough. It provided a visual geometric language for understanding motion, paving the way for the development of coordinate geometry centuries later. Oresme's graphical representation of motion was a testament to his innovative spirit, his ability to bridge the gap between abstract mathematics and the physical world. Oresme's intellectual curiosity knew no bounds. He questioned not only the earthly laws of motion, but also dared to challenge the very structure of the heavens. In the 14th century, the prevailing view of the universe was the geocentric model, which placed Earth at the center of all creation. This model, supported by both religious dogma and the teachings of Aristotle, seemed immutable. Yet Oresme, with his characteristic boldness, proposed a radical alternative. In his treatise, Le Livre du Ciel et du Monde, the Book of the Heavens and the World, Oresme presented arguments suggesting that the Earth might actually rotate on its axis. He argued that such a rotation could explain the apparent movement of the stars and the Sun. While he ultimately did not definitively endorse a heliocentric model, his willingness to entertain the possibility of Earth's rotation demonstrated an extraordinary independence of thought. Oresme's explorations into the cosmos, though ultimately inconclusive, showcased his willingness to challenge established dogma in the pursuit of scientific truth.